In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save ChatGPT conversation as a PDF, PNG, or HTML file. Whether you need a polished PDF for sharing, a quick PNG screenshot for a slide, or an HTML file that preserves links and formatting, I'll walk you through two simple approaches: using your browser's built-in print dialog and using a lightweight browser extension. Follow along and you'll have tidy exports in just a few minutes. First, head to chatgpt.com and sign in. Once you're in, open the exact conversation you want to save. Take a moment to scroll to the very top and bottom so every message loads fully. Some browsers only render content as you scroll, and anything not visible might be missing from the export. If your chat includes long code blocks or images, expand them now so they appear correctly in the final file. Next, open the print dialog. On Windows, press Ctrl plus P. On a Mac, press Command plus P. You can also use your browser menu and choose Print if keyboard shortcuts aren't your thing. In the print window, set the destination or printer to save as PDF. You'll see a live preview on the right, which is helpful for catching page breaks or cut off content. Before saving, fine-tune the layout. Choose portrait for typical chats or landscape for very wide content. Adjust margins to default or none to reduce extra white space, and tweak scale so everything fits cleanly without shrinking text too much. If you see headers and footers you don't need, disable them. Some browsers also offer background graphics. Enabling that can preserve subtle colors, code shading, or link underlines. Check a few pages in the preview to make sure nothing important is truncated. When it looks good, click Save, pick a folder, and give the file a clear name so you can find it later. If you prefer dedicated export options, install a browser extension such as Export ChatGPT from the Chrome Web Store. Open the Web Store, search for the extension name, review its description and permissions, then click Add to Chrome. After installation, refresh your ChatGPT tab. You'll see new export buttons appear within the chat interface. Use them to save as HTML for a lightweight, clickable copy, as PDF if you want a document-style file without opening the print dialog, or as a PNG screenshot to capture a specific view of the conversation. If the extension offers full page or selected area capture, choose what best matches your needs, then save the file to your preferred location. That's it. With these methods, you can quickly archive, share, or present any ChatGPT conversation in the format that works best for you.